What is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, recording a little bit later than I usually do, but we're going to get this video done. And today what we're discussing is the upcoming Stranger Things Dunk Low, and we're going to be discussing if this pair is going to be worth the cop, which I think it is. And I don't know why I couldn't pronounce the name right there, Stranger Things. There we go. Alright, now we got the name, but we're going to get into this Dunk Low, discuss the resale prices on it, if there's any market right now. We're also going to discuss the retail, which is actually marked up a bit in this Dunk Low. This Dunk Low retails for $155, so I think there could be a bit of resale potential just because, well, we'll see how many of them they end up making, and also, maybe there's potential for that, but we have to see. So we're going to get into it, just discuss again what this pair looks like, some of the details. It's loaded on sneakers. There's actually two colorways that are supposed to drop for this shoe. I think only one of them is loaded right now, if I'm right, so we'll just kind of get into it from there. And I hope y'all will enjoy. Again, if y'all want more videos like this where we discuss like upcoming sneakers or even do unboxings, feel free to let me know in the comments what pair y'all want me to do an unboxing on that's coming up soon. Or again, any videos you all want to see. And I can't speak today, it's crazy. And if you guys do want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. And don't forget, guys, I just launched my website. If you guys want to check that out down below, we got tons of sneakers and clothing for sale. So feel free to check it out, guys, and come shop with us if you want to, because I just launched that a couple days ago. So thank you to everyone who's ordered already. I've been mailing stuff as fast as I can. Already got the first day's orders out. Everyone who ordered stuff today or yesterday, that's going out tomorrow. So thank you guys as always. And yeah, always trying to hit you guys with that quick ship. So shout out to everyone who's been tuning in there or the Whatnot Lives down below. Hey man, really trying to expand the business. So I appreciate y'all helping me get to this point. And yeah, check any of that out down below if you guys want to. We're live almost every day and Whatnot. And well, the site's up 24/7. So if you ever just want to check some of the stuff that's for sale there, feel free. You can shop at 3 a.m. if you want to. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys will enjoy. And let's get started. As you guys can see, taking a look at this collaboration right here. So again, this is just a regular Dunk Low, not an SB. I just want to mention, missed opportunity, big time. Big time missed opportunity. Like, they should have made this an SB Dunk Low, and it would be one that would go for hundreds of dollars. I'm just saying. Like, can anybody else agree with me on that? Like, you're doing a Dunk Low, why not just make it an SB? Like, I know, of course, the Dunk Low division and Nike SB, that's a whole, like, two separate areas of Nike, but I'm sure that, you know what I mean, we could have worked something out with Nike SB to get something very, very similar looking to this, you know what I mean? On an SB Dunk, or exactly like this. Literally just add the puffy tongue and then put Nike SB on it. So it could have been that simple, but I'm not complaining. Again, the only reason I say that is because we already have an $155 retail price right here. Like, why not just make it an SB at that point? You know what I mean? It's very similar to current SB retail. SB retail is like $140 after shipping tax. You're paying around $155, $156 most of the time. So, I mean, hey, all I'm saying, they should have did that, but I think it would have helped it, sell out a little bit more. Because if I'm being real, the only reason I think this pair could maybe resell a bit is because they could maybe not do any of them and not drop them at any retail locations. And then this ends up being kind of one of those limited Dunk Lows that only dropped online in a few spots, and it ends up reselling for kind of like $182.20. That's my prediction off the bat. You can maybe see these at $182.20. However, what I realistically think is going to happen, right, is because we see these at such a high retail price for Dunk Low, and keep in mind, we're not in 2020 anymore, right? We're in 2025. Regular Dunk Lows are just not as hyped anymore. People are looking for SBs or Jordan 4s or, Jordan 4 SBs or special collaborations like, the Jordan 4 brick by brick. People are looking for unique things. They're not just looking for, that same old simple style. Even though, look at these. I like what we got. Again, I'm saying if they don't make a lot of these online and they only do them through like sneakers and like 10,000 pairs, something like that, these will end up doing pretty decent. Again, like 180, 250, 220. I could see them going for around that. But again, I've seen these leaking early for like quite a few months now. Like, these have been out there on the early market for a minute. Of course, if you actually go to StockX, I'll show you all that in a second. So November 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, dropping regular style. Just remember that. We're going to go to StockX right now, but just remember what you see right here. And look at StockX again. As you all can see, again, none are listed at the moment, which really doesn't give us any info in terms of like where these are going to resell. But the reason I think, again, these are going to do all right is because, look, highest bid, $222, and that's for the pair we were just looking at, the Phantom one. So, $155 retail, people are already bidding $220 on it early. A lot of people like Stranger Things. Hey, I could see these doing well in the small sizes, you know what I mean? The ladies probably like this shoe, right? But again, I think the realistic scenario is this is a pretty big collab. Nike can make a good amount of money off it. They'll probably make a decent amount of them at the high retail price, and these will probably end up going for around the retail price. That's my personal prediction. But seeing that we have some highest bids on them early, again, if it ends up being the case that we don't get any pairs of these, like 10, 15,000 or like under 20,000 pairs, go for this Dunk Low. It will end up doing well. It will flip. So just be paying attention to that. If you hear anything about these being low stock or not dropping at a lot of locations or being a little bit harder to get, I'll try and make an update video for you guys, but just understand that. This pair is coming soon, right? November 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure you guys are ready. We do have a couple heater drops before that, right? Like the Zion Voodoo, some other stuff, right? So be paying attention to those before. But this is one I wouldn't skip out on. I like what I'm seeing right now. The highest bid at 222, it hasn't sold there yet because, well, just nobody has it. My bad, y'all. I was in the middle of recording my video, and again, camera just gave out on me. Hey, we're going to have to get the new camera soon, so stay tuned. Hey, we'll be doing that, upgrading the little setup, making it look a little bit more professional. But that's the one main thing I can say about the Stranger Things Dunk Low. We don't have any info or any pairs listed right now on, you know, Nike. Well, we do have them on Nike. The release is loaded there, but not on StockX or GOAT, right? There's no early market that's really formed for these. But if you look on sneakers right now, again, $155 retail, 10 a.m. Eastern time, November 6th, dropping via first come, first serve. I wouldn't be too concerned about, again, needing to enter everywhere for these, right? Because we don't really have too much about locations for these yet. But just be paying attention. Again, the main thing I've said in this video, right, is if there's lower stock on these, they don't make a lot of them, they will resell. But if Nike, you know, ends up doing what I think they're going to do, you know, higher retail price, they'll probably try and make a lot of them to make more money. Because Dunk Lows just don't cost a lot for them to make. You know what I mean? This seems like a pretty simple, easy collab to make. I mean, look, you literally just have an upside down logo here on the front of the tongue tag. You got the Stranger Things insoles, right? And then you have a Stranger Things logo right here on, yeah, that. So Nike did a little adjustment to the logo right there with Stranger Things and their style of logo. So thought it was kind of cool, you know, putting the Nike logo in that Stranger Things style. So not bad, pretty cool, but again, we'll have to see how these end up doing. My personal prediction, again, right now, I think these could end up doing like 180, 220. But the likely scenario is Nike makes a lot of these and, you know, they'll end up doing all right at best. So we just kind of have to see. But be ready for this pair, November 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I think this one has potential to at least do decent. That's the main thing I want to say. I don't think that this is going to be a shoe that like completely bricks right off the bat, right? Like I feel like this could be a pair where if you get it, you know, at the right time or sell it on drop day, you know what I mean? You could make some money on it. So if that's what you're curious about, but it's also just a cool personal pair. Maybe a really big thing of the Stranger Things show. I'm going to be honest, I've never watched it, but if you're a fan of the show, then hey, you know, this is probably a pair that you'd like. So that's something I can say about the Stranger Things Dunk Low coming out November 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern time on the Sneakers app. And if there's other locations, a lot of locations where these are dropping, then, you know, just maybe you can wait a bit. These might go into retail. If they're dropping at a ton of spots, that's a lot of stock. Just wait a bit to get the best price as per usual with most sneakers, guys. So that is everything I really need to say. If y'all want more content like this, and again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, we're always trying to make content like this. The normal goal we shoot for is 300 likes. Check out our new website down below if y'all want to as well. We just launched that like a day ago. So again, if you want to see some of the stuff we got for sale, we're loading new stuff every day. I'll load some more new stuff tonight, some Travis Lowe's. Once again, I get them loaded into my inventory and pack a few orders. So shout out everyone who's been tuning in on whatnot as well. And again, everyone who's copped off the site too. I really like the site because it just makes it a lot easier for me to see, like, you know, how to make the label, all that. Like, it just, Shopify automates it really easy. It's kind of like whatnot. It makes it very simple. But yeah, if you want to just check out the site, see what we got for sale, again, feel free to hit me. We're loading new stuff every single day. Hoodies, tees, lots of hoodies right now for winter. So get in there, check that out, guys, if y'all want to. And yeah, that's it, guys. We're going to be loading more stock for, we're going to be loading, we have a lot of big sizes for some hoodies right now, but if you see a hoodie that's missing in a big size, don't worry. We're going to have it by end of week. We'll have your size, trust me. And the sweatpants. We're getting sweatpants in all sizes again. Essentials ones, because I know you guys like those too. So shout out you guys for supporting us. We're going to keep going hard. And thank you all for helping us get to this point. Again, if y'all have any questions, just ask them down below. And let me know if you're going for these. I'll probably go for them, but I'm not going to like go all in for them. You know what I mean? Like this is, I would just, you know, be paying attention to this pair, but don't be paying attention too much. You know what I mean? Don't get caught up with it, because $155 retail on some regular Dunk Lows in 2025. Come on, bro. Like, it's not even an SB. Like, it is a cool collab, but like, let's chill out. All right. So yeah, Nike, you need to chill with that. $155 retail on regular Dunk Lows. We ain't doing that. No, I'm not. I will just stop buying Dunk Lows if that's the case, and go buy the ones that are under, you know, retail on apps or whatever. So, hey, Nike, watch out. All right. Sorry. I'm messing around. All right. Chill. Okay. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Thank you, guys. And yeah, we'll see y'all then. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. Try and get back to it and hit you there. So, thank you, guys. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Check the new site down below. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.